Have you ever wondered how to make money from Validately? Well, you're not alone. Validately is a platform that has piqued the curiosity of many, especially those who are always on the lookout for new and innovative ways to earn some extra income. So, what exactly is Validately? It's an online platform where businesses and developers come to understand how real users interact with their websites, apps, or prototypes. They want to ensure a seamless user experience, and for this they need your help. Yes, you heard it right. They need feedback from people like you and me who use such digital platforms in our day-to-day lives. User testing, the core purpose of Validately, is a growing field in our rapidly digitalizing world. It's the process of evaluating the functionality and ease of use of digital products by testing them with potential users. This is not just a buzzword, it's a crucial step in digital product development that ensures applications and websites are user-friendly and intuitive. Now you might be thinking, how does this lead to making money? Well, it's quite simple. Businesses are willing to pay for your time and insights. They value your feedback because it helps them build better digital experiences, which in turn drives their success. So in essence, Validately is a platform that connects businesses in need of user feedback with individuals who can provide it. It's a win-win situation. The businesses get the feedback they need to improve their digital products, and you get paid for your time and insights. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to be a tester. If you can navigate a website or use an app, you can be a tester. And no, it's not a full-time job, it's a flexible gig that you can fit into your schedule. So, if you're intrigued by the possibility of making money through Validately, stick around and we'll guide you through the process. Getting started with Validately is quite straightforward. Now let's dive into the specifics of how you can sign up and start making money. First things first, you'll need to head to the Validately website. Look for a button that says Sign Up or Become a Tester. Clicking this will lead you to the registration page. Here, you'll be asked to provide some basic information about yourself. This includes your name, email address, and location. Make sure to provide accurate information as this will be crucial for your testing opportunities down the line. Next, you'll need to confirm your email. Validately will send you a confirmation email to the address you provided. Make sure to check your inbox and don't forget to look in your spam folder just in case. Once you've confirmed your email, you're one step closer to starting your journey. Now, it's time to fill out your profile. This is where you tell Validately more about yourself. You'll answer questions about your occupation, income, and even the devices you use. It's important to fill out every field as thoroughly as possible. The more information you provide, the higher your chances of getting matched with tests that are relevant to your profile. One thing to note is that Validately requires its testers to be at least 18 years old. So if you're under 18, you might need to wait a bit before you can start earning. Lastly, you will need to install the Validately extension on your browser. This allows the platform to record your screen during tests. Don't worry, Validately respects your privacy. It only records your screen during testing sessions and nothing else. The entire sign-up process is pretty simple and takes just a few minutes. It's totally free to join and there aren't any hidden fees. So what are you waiting for? The world of testing is at your fingertips, and Validately is your gateway. Sign up, complete your profile, and start your journey into the world of user testing. Once you've successfully signed up and completed your profile, you're ready to start earning money. Now that you're part of the Validately community, it's crucial to understand the testing process. The testing process with Validately happens in 3 main stages: receiving an invitation, conducting the test, and submitting the finished test. Let's break it down. Firstly, you'll receive an invitation to participate in a test. This will be sent to your email address, so make sure to check regularly. The invite will contain all the necessary details like the type of test, the time it's scheduled for, and how long it'll take. Remember, these tests are on a first-come, first-served basis, so responding promptly is key to securing a spot. Next, we move on to conducting the test. Now, there are a few types of tests you might encounter. Live tests, for example, are held in real time with a moderator. You'll be asked to share your screen and voice as you navigate a website or app, and the moderator will guide you through tasks and ask questions about your experience. On the other hand, remote tests are done on your own time. You'll receive a set of tasks to complete on a website or app, and you'll record your screen and voice as you complete them. There's no moderator for these tests, but you'll still need to think aloud and share your thoughts as you go through the tasks. Lastly, once you've completed the test, you'll need to submit it. For live tests, this is as simple as ending the session. For remote tests, you'll need to upload your recorded session. Be sure to check your work before submitting to ensure that you've met all the requirements and that your recording is clear and audible. The better you understand the testing process, the more efficiently you can complete tests and maximize your earnings. So, take the time to familiarize yourself with this process, and you'll be well on your way to making the most out of Validately. But how can you ensure you're delivering high-quality results that will get you more tests? That's a question that's likely been on your mind. The answer lies in refining your testing skills. Here are a few strategies to help you excel. Firstly, practice active listening. When you receive a testing assignment, pay close attention to the instructions. Don't just skim through them. Instead, take the time to fully understand what is being asked of you. This is a skill that you can develop over time, and it will significantly improve the quality of your testing. Secondly, be thorough in your feedback. Don't leave any stone unturned. If you notice a minor glitch or a major flaw, report it. Remember, your role as a tester is to help the client make their product better. So, be detailed and precise in your feedback. Describe the issue clearly, explain how it occurred, and if possible, suggest a solution. Another tip is to understand the client's needs. Each client is different, and so are their expectations. Some might be looking for a general user experience feedback, while others may want you to focus on specific features. Tailor your testing approach based on what the client is looking for. Now, you might be wondering, how do I understand the client's needs? The secret is in the brief. Yes, that document that comes with the test. It usually outlines what the client expects from the test. Read it, understand it, and use it as your guide. Also remember to always stay updated with the latest testing trends and techniques. This industry is ever-changing. What was relevant yesterday may not be so today. So, stay informed and be ready to adapt. Lastly, practice, practice, practice. As with any skill, the more you practice, the better you get. So, take on as many tests as you can. The experience you gain will be invaluable. By constantly improving your testing skills, you increase your chances of getting more tests, and thus, earning more money. So go ahead, put these tips into practice, and watch as your testing skills soar to new heights. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned about making money with Validately. Our journey started with an introduction to this innovative platform that's been making waves in the realm of user testing. Validately is a unique tool that provides a platform for businesses to get their products tested and for testers to earn money. We then moved on to signing up for Validately. As we discovered, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. You simply need to provide some basic information, complete a sample test, and voila, you're part of the Validately testing community. Our adventure continued with understanding the testing process. We learned that once you're part of the community, you'll receive testing opportunities via email. Each test is a chance to earn money, and the more tests you complete, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. But we didn't stop there. We also discussed how to improve your testing skills. This is crucial because the better you are at testing, the more tests you'll be offered, and consequently, the more money you'll make. We explored various strategies, from understanding the client's requirements to providing detailed and constructive feedback. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the potential of Validately as a source of income. The beauty of Validately is that it can be as lucrative as you want it to be. The more time and effort you put into testing, the more rewards you'll reap. It's a flexible platform that allows you to earn money at your own pace and on your own terms. And so, we come to the end of our journey. We've explored the ins and outs of making money with Validately, and hopefully, you're feeling inspired and ready to give it a go. Remember, like any other venture, success on Validately requires dedication, a desire to improve, and a positive attitude. With the right approach, dedication, and a constant desire to improve, Validately can indeed be a lucrative source of income. So, are you ready to give it a try?